ask me how I learn best, I learn by doing.
By interacting.
I learn best when I'm curious.
When I'm intrigued.
When I'm taught, not told.
When I'm challenged.
We're here to discover.
To experiment.
To achieve.
We're Electude, and we couldn't agree more. We believe that knowledge is power only if you apply it. And by putting the needs of students first, you can unlock their full potential. We've launched a revolution of technical education. Our discovery-based learning solutions empower instructors, motivate students, and make learning happen. From the workshop, the classroom, and also from home. Join us and experience a reimagined way of learning. And let potential fly.
Discover today's automotive technology with Electude's Automotive Essentials. Automotive Essentials uses interactive lessons, animations, and simulations in over 1,500 modules. Formative assessments on every screen challenge students to explore gamified learning. Analytic tools help instructors assess and provide real-time feedback. Aligned to national standards, available in 35 languages, and LTI integration enabled. Replace traditional learning tools with Electude's Automotive Essentials. Prepare today's learners for success with Electude's Electric Drive course. Electric Drive uses interactive lessons, animations, and simulations in 89 lesson modules. Coverage includes vehicle components, electric motors, hybrid systems, charging systems, and the most current battery technology. Electric Drive emphasizes safety and simulates safe work practices. A printed companion guidebook version of the Electric Drive is available separately. Request a free trial of Electude's Electric Drive today.
Electude's Engine Management Simulator allows users to practice their diagnostic skills in a hyper-realistic simulated environment. Students are presented with a work order and collection of tools they can use to solve the fault described. The simulator works like an engine would and provides simulated diagnostic tools that function just like the real thing, giving your students real-world problem-solving practice. Designed to be used individually, in teams, or as part of classroom exercises and presentations, Electude's Engine Management Simulator adds a challenging and dynamic aspect to your class.